Hello everyone.
In this video, we'll see how to activate virtual RAM on an Oppo phone. Before we start, note that this feature is only available on certain models. We'll demonstrate this on a Reno 13. If you're unsure about virtual RAM, check out my explainer video above. To activate virtual RAM on an Oppo, first go to Settings. Scroll down to Device Information. Here, under RAM, it shows 12 GB plus 12 GB. In RAM settings, you'll see expansion is on and set to 12 GB. In this case, as you can see, the Reno 13 allows RAM expansion by 4, 8 or 12 GB, giving us 3 different upgrade options. As mentioned earlier, you can disable virtual RAM or RAM expansion from this button, leaving you with just the 12 GB of physical RAM. Well folks, that's all for this video. As always, I hope I've been helpful. If so, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated. That's all from me. As always, it's been a pleasure. See you in the next video.